Business success is not purely predicated on financial metrics, but also on the effective measurement and management of intangible resources that make up the intellectual capital of your entity. This is why it helps to also analyze non-financial data that you have connected from different sources. And Syft's connections allows you to do just that. To begin adding connections, if you look under the Configure section on the left sidebar, you will find the tab for connections. To add a new connection, click on Add Connection. And you will see a pop-up which will then have a number of different options for source data for you to choose from. These are listed under the following categories: General, Payroll, Marketing, Task Management, CRM, Team Management, and Communication. Under General, you can choose between manual inputs or Excel or Google Sheets. If you select manual input as your source type, you will then be given a number of different connection templates to choose from. There are templates for all kinds of industries, including services, non-profit, manufacturing, restaurants, hospitality, etc. And if none of these templates suit your specific needs, you can also start from scratch. We are now going to create a new connection. To manually add data from scratch, click Add Field. You can then insert a name. Let's name it Sales Budget. Then pick a unit as well as the aggregation. Each bit of data has a unit attributed to it, and aggregation determines how data rolls up and is calculated for longer time periods. There are two different types of non-financial data that you can monitor in Syft. It is either monthly or daily. However, you can only edit data in the monthly view. You can also choose whether an increase would be negative or positive by clicking on this arrow next to the M for monthly. Going back to aggregation, it may be summative, average, balance, median, maximum, or minimum. To sum them up quickly, summative sums up the data. This is useful if you want to just input the movement each month. Average will sum up the data for a certain interval and then divide it by the number of intervals. Balance will take the data from the last interval. So, if you get the data at the cumulative or latest total, then this balance is the best option to choose. Median takes the middle number in the range of numbers. Maximum will take the highest number in the data set, and minimum will take the lowest number in the data set. It is recommended that you consider how you get the data and what you are most interested in. For example, do you want to know the average so that you can get a sense of what is happening overall? Or do you want to see the best or the worst? All of this can have a big impact on the insights that you gain. Additionally, if you would like to upload a lot of data, we recommend uploading data from the Excel or Google Sheets connector. So once your data is in Syft, you can use it in the creation of custom KPIs or include it in your four-way forecast as a live connection. By incorporating intangible, non-financial KPIs into your analysis and forecasting, you can gain a greater insight into your business, its challenges, and its true potential.